my buddy just called me and said that he found a bike, rescued it off a trailer, about to go to the salvage yard. So he doesn't know much about it. He just knows it's really, really old and it's a Yamaha. So we're about to go find out more about it. He asked me if I wanted it. I was like, of course I want it. What kind of question is that? So about to load up the trailer and head over there right now. You about to ride? And y'all remember that one, don't you?
Hey, can you show me how to put this on there? I know it goes right on there. With my phone, you put it right here.
There it is. Long way to go. A lot of work to be done. As you see, no carburetors. Good bit of rust. Seat ain't worth nothing. I got like some fiberglass down here. But yeah, basically the story is it was her son's. For whatever reason, it quit running and then it sat in a field forever. And now he saved it off the trailer and called me. But it had like a big fiberglass fairing. He did away with that. He was like, he's not gonna want that. He couldn't have been more right. I don't want that shit. And you know, that's how we park Jeeps. So yeah, back to the shop. So just because I can't not know things, I had to hook up a battery to it and find out. So we got taillights. There's at least some electrical working. There's a little light up there in the bezel, but that's it so far. No neutral light or anything like that. So, oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, that didn't change anything. But we got a taillight.